sudden hiss suddenly roused James from his slumber. He opened his eyes and looked around. The fog had become thicker, so thick that he could hardly see anything. Even the shapes of the buildings and trucks were lost in the gloom. Suddenly another hiss echoed in the yards. Only this time, it was accompanied by the sound of groaning metal.
Hello? Is someone there?
James called out. No one replied. Only the sound of more hissing. And this time, puffing. Only the puffing sounded different each time. It sounded like 3 different engines, but each puff sounded like it was coming from everywhere at once. James felt a wave of nerves roll along his boiler. He felt surrounded all around, and what was worse, he didn't know who was surrounding him. Then he felt the ground shudder. Something big was coming. It had to be another engine, but in the fog, James couldn't be sure. The chopping and rumbling and screeching came closer and closer. Then, out of the corner of his eye, James saw a shape move in the fog past him. In the dim yard lights, it just looked like a dark shadow. The chopping was louder than ever, and the metal screeching sound, the sound of rusty wheels turning, sounded almost alive, like cries and moans. The shape moved past him, and then suddenly vanished. James gulped and closed his eyes tightly.
It was just a dream. Just a dream. Just a dream.
He comforted himself. Soon sleep closed in again, and James drifted off to a dreamless sleep.